a side jack, heels and toes, cross step, and a shuffle. Now, if you haven't already checked out part 1, be sure to check out part 1 tutorial. You'll learn some important moves in that too. But let's get straight into this one. So, side jack, super important. As you know, jacks in house are pivotal. You jack in every single move that you do. It's just your bounce in house is your jack, yeah? So we're doing a side jack today. So a side jack is this one. So it's a funky little groove, yeah? So what you're gonna do with your feet, all you're doing is your weight is on your heels when you're doing this jack, because you wanna lift your toes out and in. So your weight is on your heels, your toes are gonna be coming out, in, out, in. You wanna keep your knees bent and you wanna always have that bounce. Have that nice bounce, get your jack going, get that groove going. So as you are bringing your toes out, once they land, get a little bounce. Bring them toes in, bounce. Now you can have your legs quite wide. I like mine nice and wide for this one, makes it a little big. You can sway with it. So toes out, toes in, toes out, toes in. And make sure you're bouncing with it. Get your knees bouncing nice and loose. Yeah, you're gonna wanna bounce, 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 bounce. So all your weight is in your heels. So your toes can just move freely, feet in and out. Perfect. From there, your body, it's a side jack. So your body is coming to the side, in, side, in. On your body to kind of be like jelly, nice and loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so loose to the side, in, loose, in. Your arms, I bring my arms out. So my arms are going 1, 2, 3, 4. I just let them scoop around. You can go bigger if you want, but I just let them scoop to the side that I'm jacking. So if you put that together, body, feet, your toes are coming out. You're going to jack to the side. So you're going to jack to the side at the same time as our toes come out. So our toes are out, knees bend, jack to the side. As your toes come in, you come back up. Then you're going to go to the other side. So your toes come out, knees bend, down to the side, you're scooping, and up. So we're hitting 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if this is hurting your back or your side, you're doing it correct. If it is not hurting your side, in my opinion, you're not jacking big enough. It should be huge jack. All the way to the side. I've got a baggy jumper, but if I tighten this up, I'm bent right over. Yeah? So you want to be side, in, side, in, side, in. I'm bouncing. Don't forget them knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah? One of my favorite jacks is the side jack. So one more, nice and slow, we'll move it straight on. Side jack's nice and easy. So again, toes are coming out and in, knees are bending to get that bounce. Your chest is coming to the side, in, side, and then your arms can just flow. Keep them free. And that's your side jack. There we go, nice. Side jack done. Good. Next one is heels and toes. Now, this is technically a heels variation because you're adding toe tap in, but this is definitely one that I like to teach beginners just because it means you're not stuck doing basic heels. You can take it somewhere, yeah? So your heels and toes, I'll show you first, looks like this. Now it can look a little daunting to a beginner, but do not worry, it's nice and easy. So what you're going to do, I'm going to go to the side just for the first one. So you're going to bring your heel out, and you're going to bring that foot across, tap your toe, across the other foot. And you're going to bring it back to a heel, and then bring it in. Yeah, so we do that to the front. So I'm bringing my right leg out. Now as always, when we do a heel, don't forget that jack. We'll do that in a minute. Don't worry if you're like not too sure where to hit that jack. Let's get the footwork good, and we'll get that jack in. So right foot first, I'm going heel. Then I'm bringing my toe tap across. And make sure it passes. There's nothing worse than a lazy heel toe variation where it's like this. No, 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 no. All the way across. So heel, toe. Have that nice gap. Back to a heel. And you step it in. And you're going to go to the other side. So now my other leg is going to come heel. Bring it across, toe. So you want to, for me, it's still slightly in front of that foot, but I'm bringing it right across. So you've got a good tap. Then heel, and in. So your heel, toe, heel, in. Heel, toe, heel, in. So this one's quick because it's on every count. So it's on the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your knees bent for this one. Makes it way easier. Now let me go through the jack. So you're hitting Your chest comes forward, you're jacking forwards in the heel. When you bring it to toe, you want your chest to come back and count 2. When you bring it heel, chest comes forwards. When you bring it in, chest comes back. So your chest forwards with the heel. Bring it back. When you toe tap, make sure that toe taps right across. Again, keep them knees bent. Makes it way easier. And you come forwards as you heel, and then bring it in as you step it in. So your chest is coming forwards, back, forwards, back, forwards, back. It's that up jack. If you haven't done part 1, as I said, go do part 1. I teach you how to up jack. So again, so up, heel, so chest is forwards, toe, chest back, heel, chest forwards, step it in, chest back, heel, chest forwards, toe, chest back, heel, chest forwards, step it in, chest back. Now this one is quick. This one is very quick. So it's heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. Now, music speed is about this speed. Yeah, so you might struggle to get music speed, don't worry. If you're struggling, don't worry too much about the jack right now. Just worry about the footwork. The jack will come. Yeah, so heel toe, 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 heel toe. Yeah? Don't worry about the jack too much if you're struggling with the footwork. Focus on your steps first. The jack will come after. Yeah? So that's your side jack and your heels and toes. So let's go then with the music. We're gonna go side jack, slow 4 times, quick 8 times. Then we'll go heels and toes, slow 4 times, quick 8 times with a beat, yeah? Let's do it. Okay, so jack, slow, quick, heels, toes, slow, quick. I'll count in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Make sure the pace is quick. Now make it quick. Shuffle, and then we can smash them out with a beat, yeah? So, cross step. A lot of people know this is a cross step times 2. It's usually done double speed, but you can just take it as a hard grade type speed and a cross step, yeah? So, for cross step, I like to imagine a diamond around me or a square tilted around me. That makes it a lot easier for this one. So what you're going to do, you're going to start with right foot, you're going to step it out to the side. Now again, don't worry about your jack or anything yet. Get the steps first, the groove will come after. So I'm stepping right foot, if you want to mirror it, we'll go left foot. Step right foot out to the side. I'm going to step my left foot to the back. So imagine a diamond, you're on the side point, you're on the back point. And I'm stepping my right foot, which is our first leg, in front. Yeah, so you should be on the front point and back point of that diamond. So again, so you're stepping side, back, front. So right foot is coming to the side, left foot back, right foot in front. Then from here, let's go back to neutral and we'll go the other side. So we're going to go, I'm starting the left leg, it might be right foot for you. You're doing the same but on the other side. So you're going to step your foot out to the side. I'm going to step my other foot, my right leg to the back point. And then I'm going to step my left leg to the front point. Yeah? Same timing, 1, 2, 3, like most house moves. So let's do that side again. So I'm stepping my left foot out to the side, right foot to the back, left foot to the front. Yes, let's go one side to the other. So, starting on this leg, right foot. I'm bringing right foot to the side, left foot to the back, right foot to the front. Now to go to the other side, we're picking up that back leg and taking it out to the side. So I'm picking up my left leg, which is at the back, bringing it to the side. Then I pick up my right leg, bring it to the back. Then pick up my left leg, bring it to the front. And again, to go to the other side, we're picking up that back leg, which is my right leg. It's coming to the side, left leg to the back, right leg to the front. Yeah? So if we just break that down slow, we're going side, back, front. Then the other side, side, back, front. Then the other side, side, back, front, other side, side, back, front. Yeah? And again, good. So we're going side, back, front, other side, side, back, front, other side, side, back, front, other side, side, back, front. Yes. So now the timing is the same as part of the race. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're hitting a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On the side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front. Big tips. Pick up them legs. A lot of lazy dancers. Pick them feet up. Automatically, it makes your move look better straight away. And when you're dragging your feet, I can't even drag my feet around, it feels horrible. Yeah? Don't drag them, pick them up. Side, back, front. Side, back, front. Pick them feet up. Yes. Now with this one, I'm jacking mostly, usually, on the third step. Same with part of the on 1, 2, 3. On the cross step, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do in my chest is lean it back slightly on 1 and 2. Here is like starting to lean back. Here when you step back, it gives you a good opportunity to lean back. Because then that third step in front, you can throw that chest forward to get that jack. And again on the other side, you're starting to lean back, bring it back, chest forward, because then you're getting that jack. If you speed that up just a little bit, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see that jack come into play a little better, yeah? So make sure it's in the 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're picking them feet up. And make sure you keep them knees bent so you've got that bounce, and it makes that jack a lot easier, yeah? As always, arms can be what you like in house. So, one more time, your speed with that one. If you're to go on full speed, will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front. Yeah? Awesome. Let's go into the shuffle. Last move. Now, the shuffles, there's loads of different shuffles. I just call them shuffles rather than like numbering them, give them a little nickname. Just a shuffle. Just a shuffle. What I'm going to do today is this one. A twist shuffle, we can call it, just to make it easier. So you're getting a twist. Now, it's similar to an Indian step in breaking in a way, but you're not bringing that foot across. You're twisting it up. So what we're going to do, this one's nice and easy though, don't worry. You're going to I'm bringing right foot up, nice and high again. Another thing with shuffles, pick your feet up. Don't be like, it's boring. Pick them up. Yeah, nice and clean and high. So, bring your right foot up, right up to start. You're going to switch, kick left foot up. You might be kicking right up if you're mirroring. Doesn't matter which side you're going, it's the same on both sides. And from here, that foot that's up, you're just going to twist that foot out. So you're going to hop on your standing leg. You just twist it out, keep that foot and that heel nice and high. Yeah? Again, so we're starting out. Kick 1, switch, 2, twist, on the 3. Good. And your arms, you can do whatever you want. Just don't do this. I see this sometimes. Looks a little bit weird. Don't do that. Just let them flow. Be free of it. Don't confine yourself. Just let it flow. Yeah? So, kick 1, switch 2, twist 3. Good. One more that side. So we kick 1, switch on 2, twist on 3. Nice. Now the other side. So you're bringing the other leg up, exactly the same. So I'm bringing left leg up. If you're mirroring, it'll be right. You're going to kick, you're going to switch, and you're going to twist. So you're just twisting that foot out as you hop on your other leg. There. Again. So we go kick 1, switch, 2, twist, 3. One more. Kick 1, switch, 2, twist, 3. Okay, now we'll go one side into the other. So we're going to start with this foot from your right leg. Kick, switch, twist. Now all you're going to do from here, with this leg that's twisted up, you're going to kick that out and that will start the next shuffle. So that will be count number 1. So it'll go 1, and you switch, 2, and you twist, 3. And to go into the other side, kick that foot out for step 1. 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? There it is. There's your shot. So, 1, 2, 3. That same time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So we've got cross step and shuffle in. So the timing 1, 2, 3, and go cross step. Same as your shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Now, they are quick with music. It's just house. It's quick. Just gotta keep up with that beat. If you're struggling, just take it slow. We're not making you go quick. You can go slow if you like first, and then build up that speed, but just jump into it. Let's go to beat. So we've got all moves to do. So we're gonna go 4 fast side jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 8 heels and toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should we do 4? Let's do 4. Let's do 4 heels and toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do it 2 times anyway. Then we're going to go 4 cross steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 shuffles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll run it again. 2 times. Full out with the beat. Let's go. Okay, we've got 4 beats. Move quick with the beat. I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8. The technique. Now, as I said, if you haven't checked out part 1, be sure to check out part 1, learn them over beginner moves. I'll be putting out part 3, part 4 of these house dance ones because there's lots of house dance moves. Eventually I'll get into more intermediate and advanced ones. I'll even throw out some routines and some follow-alongs, but all in good time. They might even be up already, so just have a look here. But well done for that one. If there's anything that I'm not teaching that you do want to learn, make sure you comment that below. But if you enjoyed this one, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Keep up to date with the tutorials, keep learning. I'll catch you in the next one.